அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அகவல் English translation by Swami Saravanananda of Dindigul. Heading 66 God is He for Him. அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி அகவல் lines 131 and 132. பவனத்தின் அண்ட பரப்பினெங்கெங்கும் அவனுக்கு அவனாம் அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி. God is everywhere and in every form, but the inner reality cannot be perceived anywhere and in any form except in this human life. In the universe, there are numberless heavenly bodies. They are stars, planets, satellites, comets, meteors, and man-made space stations. Only in Earth, like planets, all kinds of living beings can thrive. Our Earth is one of the planets in the solar system. In this system, the Sun is in the center, revolving itself and attracting all its planetary families encircling regularly. In this solar system, our Earth is in the third order of planets. Mercury and Venus are the first and second. Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are the fourth, fifth, and sixth in the order. There are some other planets belonging to this system, but they are not considered so much important in our higher life of divine grace. Of these planets, the Earth alone is well organized for our human race to live and thrive. Scientific discovery denotes that the Earth was created and brought into revolution on its own axis and also around the Sun some billions of years ago. After a long period, this planet became cool and suitable for living organism. Living beings' life depends on atmospheric air. This life-giving air is thickly surrounding our Earth. This atmospheric air belt rarefies in the upper region. Above this is a very important ionospherical belt as a safeguard against foreign objects rushing towards Earth. On the surface of the Earth, the atmospheric air contains good amount of oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen. All these take part in giving us a good life to live and prosper. The word Bhavanam has got some important meaning like air, wind, earth, world, dwelling place and the like. All these meanings are applicable here to make our life profitable. This suitable atmospheric condition upon the surface of this planet is very helpful to all forces, matters, objects and living beings. Of these living beings, the humanity is on the top level because the man alone is empowered to know and conquer all nature and finally to become divine man of eternal blissful life. Through Arutparinjodi, God fills everywhere. He does not come out anywhere, but only on the surface of the earth. பவனத்தின் அண்ட பரப்பின் எங்கெங்கும் may be taken as everywhere on this planet. There are exceptions as there are many places on this earth not suitable for our habitation. We must know that there are many solar systems in the universe and in each of these there is a planet of this earth in which humanity can live and prosper. So the meaning of the first line may be taken to point out on the surface of the earth like planets wherever are suitable for human habitation. Therefore, our God Arutparinjodi has planned to expose himself upon this earthly world. Before the exposition on this earth in the human life, God has to prepare the ground for millions of years. On this planet, the human race appeared only after the lower sensed beings developed here. In the last animal life, lemur, all the five senses became fully active. Then and there, with sixth sense of mind, the human race, as it was species of rational animal, came to live upon this earth. In the beginning, the mind eye was a specialty to man. By that eyesight, some secrets of the primary divine light was understood and revealed as Kandali, but that knowledge light did not enable him to obtain the divine gracious life. In order to develop the divine gracious life, the man was diverted towards the sensuous life. Then the third eye became disused and lost in the course of time. Now the gracious life has been developed, and so the divinity comes out. The human race pervades the earth, and God is ready to be realized by the man of perfect grace. The inner truth of God is realizable only on the soul plane. The soul of man is embedded in the sensuous physical body. The soul knowledge is the outcome of male products, while the bodily growth is the development of female products. Therefore, God is said to be in the male. From God, Arutperinjodi is realized in the form of He, and in the one who realizes Him is also transcended to the soul plane or male position. Even if woman transcends to that higher level, she becomes He. So the title of the couplet is given as God is He for him. This divine knowledge is now blossoming in man, and this is to be realized and lived up henceforth. In one sentence, God Arutparanjodi has become He for him who realizes this truth by practical experience wherever he may live on earth in the whole universe.